Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see Tesla Supercharging station located on Køge, Denmark. This station distance Copenhagen Central train station to this location exactly 37 kilometers. This is a Køge Tesla Supercharging station. I park my vehicle here and currently 19% charging. 20 minutes are remaining. I can lock and here too much charging stations are available here, and nowadays you can use as other cars also. I will show you here other company car, not just Tesla but other company car also they can charge here. Like look at this here, Volkswagen, someone are charged here, so you can use this one for the EU electric vehicles. The Køge located on exactly central Copenhagen to this location on 27 kilometer, and it's very affordable, not so expensive. If you park here your car and if you buy something in the Burger King, so Burger King are providing you 15% discount after purchase anything. So this is the biggest Tesla charging station for the electric car. Discount coffee, free coffee price 51 Danish kroner. This is a cappuccino, and my friend is not happy. He is complaining Danish people are not making good cappuccino.
मुझे तो हिंदी इंग्लिश न्यूज़ देख के तो ऐसे ही लगता है उसके चांसेस तो कम ही है।
और मैं बोल रहा ना, मैं